All right, so we had an issue with the yellow jacket. Okay, YouTube, we won't be needing this anymore, or all these fucking washers. We got this, a torque converter setup. Here are the instructions. Here are the parts. Seems pretty straightforward. Okay, so this torque converter setup, this has multiple bolt patterns in here. Find the one that works for the side of your engine. All right, YouTube. So there comes a time when you must admit defeat. And unfortunately, it's just not gonna fit. I can't make this fit. It's not gonna clear anything. The head's just in the way. I can't hit it on an angle and make it go downwards because the sprocket and axle is going to be in the way. I can't even be a goofball and mount it down here because, let's face it, that's not a good idea. So this week, and I kind of fixed it, I failed. So I guess I'll just pan up to the sky now. Okay, maybe it's not a complete failure. Let's try to do it all weird like this because I don't have any other options. And we had to have it choke this way, prime it a couple times. Right? What can I remember? Smell the fuel. Oh, the TV's beyond. Alright, so we had an issue with the yellow jacket. Remedy, long story short, this piece here that holds the brake was actually rubbing along the sprocket. It's pretty grooved there, and that was preventing the wheel from turning. It was actually locking it up a bit. So to remedy that, I grinded that stud down there at the end. You can see I grinded that little like spacer down. So let's see if this works.